Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello and welcome back to my another new video. This is Shoaib once again in front of the camera, and I hope those who are watching my video, you all are doing fantastic, and I'm well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm super excited now to be here. As you can see, I am here in the middle of the paddy field. So today I am here out of my village, just came to visiting purpose, like having some free time. So I got this really mesmerizing and eye-catching place, and then without thinking I started recording video. So you see, this is huge and massive field behind me, and I feel so tremendous. I can feel that nothing can beats but the weather and the environment. I, as I'm nature person, I love to be with nature. I think this is kind of so amazing for me. And as you can see, the weather is kind of sunny. The sun is on my screen, on my face. However, a gentle breeze is just going through me, and the paddy field is just swaying like dol khasse, and I can smell the pure fragrance, like rice fragrance, মানে ধান কেটে যে সুবাস, the sweet fragrance, মিষ্টি সুবাস. Wow, what a moment. So amazing. Well, so I don't want to more it longer. Thank you very much for watching the full video.